On the second day of the GCC regatta, the rest of the classes joined the fantastic racing conditions with gusts up to 20 knots out on the course area. So careful preparation before the races were crucial to avoid any gear failures. All the action took place under the skyline of the city of Doha, a dramatic backdrop for the sailors here. And the choppy conditions were set to stay as the wind remained strong all day. Speed, technique and endurance were the key factors, and it's fair to say that the more experienced sailors had the upper hand. In the laser standard class, Qatari Al-Sazani and Bahraini Al-Kahei had their own race, leaving the rest of the sailors behind. They enjoyed sailing under these conditions with some excellent technique. And after 3 races, the Qatari leads by just 1 point, so some great battles are being enjoyed by these sailors. In the laser radial, the sailors from Kuwait and Qatar share top place overall on the leaderboard. Ali Bahamad and Faris Al-Bakri were stable and sailed fast and clear. Of the rest of the classes, the most fun to watch was the Hobie 16 catamarans, which flew a hull around the course with great panache. These guys were easily the fastest out there. The top results today were by Moshab Ahadi and Mohammed Al-Wahibi from Oman, who scored 2 bullets. After a tactical team racing battle yesterday, the optimist sailors were all out. Mansour Al-Marouki is just 1 point behind overall, tied on points with Ahmed Al-Mujaini. That's 3 Omanis in the top 3. Good for them.
It was windy, but we have some capsizes, but it was really fun.
The weather today is perfect. We have more wind. With water, it's perfect for surfing, for upwind, for down. We have more people coming for this regatta. Inshallah, for my team coming the first.
The 5 laser 4.7s were close in all races, with strong battles in the roundings. But Qatari Saleh Teflat was the one who scored 3 bullets to keep Omani Khamis Al-Wahibi in second place. As the event is halfway through, the excitement is rising. The weather is forecast to be lighter tomorrow, so as we've seen in racing here, the lighter athletes will have a chance to shine and the leaderboards could well change. Do stay with us for that.